Hello and happy Monday to you. We are coming to you from Indio where we're working on this project here, the 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. It is an investment property. I wanted to give you an update with what's going on. Just put some colors on, don't know if you can see that up there. Got a little bit of a lighter gray-white here and then a darker blue here. Don't know if it's going to work. We're going to try it out and see. But they have started getting the demo done. I'm removing this box, which is going to be nice, which we talked about last time that I posted my little, what did they call these, webisodes? Yeah, I guess they're called webisodes. Whatever. Anyway, so they're getting this done today, so this is all going to be torn off. And then I did some color on the front door because I want to go a little bit darker. This front door is being changed, but in the meantime I thought, oh, why not see what the color looks like. But I wanted to go a little bit darker. I wanted to do almost like a black blue. I think I'm going to have to go just a touch darker on this, but it's getting there. So they're going to frame this all in like we talked about last time. And this is going to be boxed in, and we're going to bring this column out a little bit here. So I don't know if you can see this column. We're going to bring it probably out right about here so it lines up with the other side. But wait till you see this transformation. This looks amazing with the new windows. You ready? Voila. It really turned out nice. It's looking great. All the new ceiling is all framed in. The new header is across, supporting the entire ceiling. We had to completely restructure it because they tore down a bearing wall from the kitchen. Again, this used to be 4 different rooms. We've got the new slider going in here. It's going to be next to the fireplace, which is now going to be the new dining room. And then we're going to expand the kitchen towards the sliding glass door here. And now we've got the kitchen windows going in. The kitchen window to the left, that little one, is going to be all sealed up. But let me show you what it looks like outside. It's really, really cool. It's an amazing transformation. Pool still is not done yet, but we're going to get there. Here is how this looks now. So now the actual windows will overlook the swimming pool, which buyers like. Now they can see their kids playing in the pool, as you can see here. And we have the sliding glass door that's going to be going out from the living room kitchen area. And then we'll have a little patio area as well. So they are getting those done today. So let's go back in and check and see what they've done in the master bathroom. Be curious to see what it looks like. Oh, and all the windows came in too. So we got all the windows. They're going to be doing those today too. Well, obviously because we've got holes in the wall. But as you can see back here, we've got the windows that came in, got the sliding glass door, all the other ones for the rest of the bedrooms. And oh, we got this done too. Oh, this is really cool. I wanted to open up this wall. Originally I was going to tear all this back, but now we just decided to open this up so I can give some more light into the hallway. But it really created a nice architectural feature to the hallway and gives the hallway so much more light, as you can see. Ooh, there you go. Now you can see. The bathroom we looked at last week. And if you recall, they were tearing out the ceiling because we were having an issue up there with the leakage. And now we have the shower, and they've plastered everything up. It's ready for sand, and I can get my floor and the vanity installed. Now we can go over here into the bathroom, and he's grouting to death. Now the shower is looking great. You can see the shower. And the floor tiles are done in a tumbled stone, a natural tumbled stone, which is nice. And we're doing the grout in a soft gray, which is called Stormy. And I don't know if you can see the dam here. Let me show you the curb dam. The dam curb thing. So that's there. We took out the wall. There used to be a wall right here that went to the ceiling to divide off the toilet, but now we just took the tile all the way back. This will have a glass panel around, which will be nice. And then we're going to install the new window here today as well. So it is just about done, ready for its grouting. Nothing else has been done. We still have the garage is still waiting for paint. They're going to get the window installed in here today. And that is pretty much it. But that is the update for this week. And hope you enjoyed the little tour. It's a much shorter tour this time. Last time was like 13 or 14 minutes. So I'm trying to keep it a little bit more shorter. But I had to give you the main tour. That was the main tour, right? Okay. Anyway, enjoy the rest of your day. Keep posted on our updates here. If you have any questions, please let me know. And you can email me at designerman@aol.com. That's DEZIGNRMAN@aol.com. Or you can visit my Facebook page at www.facebook.com/T.MichaelsDesigns. And that's DEZIGNS. Look forward to your likes and questions you may have on this remodel, or any questions you may have on your own remodel. We'll talk to you soon.